Hello friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome to this week's STEAM activity. I am so excited for this activity because typically we do science experiments where we're constructing something, but this is just plain fun. We are going to be making our very own paper octopus. So in your take-home kits, you should have your very own template, a glue stick, and from home you'll need a pen or pencil and some markers or crayons so we can decorate our octopus. Alright, so let's get started. Now we are going to be using scissors, and it's very important to have adult help you out when you're using something sharp. What you're going to do is just take your scissors and cut along the template. So we have these lines. I'm going to go ahead and cut right here, and I'm going to cut out these strips. I have everything cut out, and I'm going to take my glue and glue our paper strips onto the shaded dots that we see on our template. Okay, so here is what our octopus is looking like. Now, I don't know about you, but I think we should add a face to it. So let's get creative. So now you'll want to take some markers or crayons and add a face. So here is my octopus, and I drew a cute little face and added some, I don't know, I think I added some dots to him and little squiggly lines on his tentacles. Okay, so next you'll want to take a pen or pencil. I actually forgot to grab one, but I have this marker, and we're going to curl our tentacles. I'll demonstrate. Okay, so we're all done curling our octopus, and now we're going to take some glue and glue that on the shaded part of the octopus. It should be right here. Alright, and just like that, our octopus is all done. So take-home kits will be available inside the kids' room, and you might want to grab them because they go fast. Alrighty, well everyone, I hope to see you all soon. Bye!